This is Dr. Naidoo's rotator cuff workout. Sophie is our video model. Take one. Go ahead, Sophie. Do the overhead touch. And in a circle. There we go. Very good. Perfect posture. Her body is straight up. Her shoulders are going, elbows are fully extended. And that. Okay, go to the 90 degrees at the elbows at the shoulder level. And back, one, and forward. Back, control it, forward. Back, forward. Very good. Now, hands forward level, in front of you like this. Okay, and now backwards like this. There we go. Very good. A little higher on your elbows. There we go. Very good. Stop now. Hands straight out to the sides. And up. And that's it. Very good. Very good.